Hey guys, it's Casey, and here's why you should be using gradient when making photos for YouTube thumbnails, or it could be for a YouTube banner, or it could be for anything. So first, I've got this banner here, which I've used on my YouTube channel. And you can see that the background, it's got a little bit of gray on the left, and it slowly gets darker as it goes to the right. And you can also see that the text that says uploads on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, it has the green where it's darker on the top and then the lighter on the bottom, and then same with the orange, lighter on the top, darker on the bottom. And it makes these images look a lot less boring. So I'm going to go over to a new project here, and I'm going to make a shape just like this. And then I'm going to click on the color, and I'm going to go to the gradient section. I'm using Pixlr for this. And on here, you've got a bunch of options that you can use. So I'm just going to go with this one. I could just use a basic color if I were to be making a banner, but when I do it like this, it looks a lot nicer. So let's say we're making a banner. After this, I would just add my text. And so now I just added some sample text. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color. I'm going to go to the gradient area, and I'm just going to pick something such as this one. It looks pretty similar to what I used earlier. And as you can see, it already looks much nicer than if I just chose a basic color. And then I also added some stroke and shadow to the words to make them pop more and go better against the color behind it. But I want to show you what this image would look like if I took out the gradient entirely. It would look something more like this. And as you can see, it looks terrible. And even if I changed up the text color, maybe switch to an orangish color to match the other part of the gradient we had, as you can see, it looks terrible. So if you really want to make your photos look a lot better, then you need to start using gradients so you can make something that looks professional without much effort at all. And so to provide you with another example, I'm taking this business card that I was designing. I removed a lot of the identifying information for my client's security, of course. But you can see here that the gradient makes the image look a lot nicer, and it's so easy to do. And then I made up some other examples, such as this one or this one, to show you that it doesn't really take a lot in order to make a simple blank image look a lot nicer. Because if we go back to the color again, and if we just choose something like this, you can see it doesn't really fit so well with the image, and it doesn't look that good either. So that's all I wanted to show you guys for this video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about using gradient in your graphic design projects. Have a good day, everybody.